beginner and want to start speaking English, but you are confused how to start speaking English, then please stay till the end. I will tell you how you can start speaking English. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and you are watching me on Let's Learn English. My dear friends, speaking English is not a rocket science. Everyone can speak, but we just need to know some rules. Then easily we can speak English language. So let's talk about it. For speaking English, first we need to learn some simple words just like read, write, study, walk, talk, speak. So these are some simple words. So in this way you need to know some simple words. It will help you to talk about your daily routine. So first just learn simple words. I would say don't run after advanced words, advanced vocabularies. No, just learn simple words. It will help you immensely. And second thing is learn basic grammar. Yes, knowing basic grammar is very important to speak English because it helps you to articulate sentences, and also it will help you to speak English confidently and identify your mistake, and also it help you to build a strong foundation in speaking English. So this is very important. Basic knowledge of grammar is very important. You can learn tenses. Tenses are very important. It will help you to articulate sentences, and if you are making mistake, you can easily identify your mistakes. So initially learning tenses is very important. And next activity is listen. Listen simple English content. So here I would suggest listen some cartoon videos. Cartoon videos are very helpful in the beginning, and stories videos, that is also helpful because they use very easy English. They use very simple sentences, simple words, so easily you can understand, and from where you can learn some simple words, simple sentences, and try to use that sentences, that words in your daily conversation. So after that, just try to use simple words, simple sentences in your daily conversation. You can talk about your daily routine, you can write your daily routine. Every day talk about your daily routine, what you have done throughout the day. So just try to explain everything in English. So here grammar will help you to explain the things, and that is why I am saying grammar is important. Basic grammar is important. So in the beginning you don't have to do lots of things. Just learn some simple words, learn basic grammar, listen simple English content, and speak. Use simple words, simple sentences in your daily conversation. You can talk with your family. Use simple words just like I'm here, I'm coming, where are you going, please help me, give me water please. These kind of simple sentences try to use in your daily conversation, and every day talk about your daily routine. So in this way you can start speaking English. And Initially, you don't have to do lots of activities. This is very simple to start speaking English. So I hope this video will help you to start speaking English. If it is, then please like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more such video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.